In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Whop. So in order to do this, what you want to go and do is just go to Whop and in the left click on your profile picture. And then here you want to go to your balance. And then if you haven't done this yet, you will need to set up Whop payments. So go and click on set up payments and then here select your country. So for example, the United States, and then click next. And then it will redirect you to Stripe. So you will just need to go and connect your Stripe account. So I've now just connected my Stripe account. If you don't have a Stripe account, you will need to go and create one. But from here now, if you have a balance, and you should look at the available to pay out to your bank balance, because if it says available to pay out soon, you cannot yet withdraw it. But from there, after you have connected and verified your Stripe account, you can then click on withdraw to bank after you have some money to withdraw. So now you know how to withdraw money from Whop. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.